I guess, are we ready? Well, I should have rocked my urban green.
You got the whole outfit?
I got the memo. So black
memo.
pants.
Black pants.
I got the wrong shirt on though, but you know, it is what it is. All right, this is Perry. He's part of our social media team. His Instagram name right over here. Basically, he's our photographer. He does a lot of good work. But you ready?
Yeah.
You look tired, man.
I've been up 2 this morning, and Miguel texted me, and we're here right now.
So what are we here for today? Miguel hit you up a couple days ago, and he said what? Come by do the shop.
This guy named Miguel, weird looking guy, came by the house. He's like, hey man, I love your BMWs. I love BMWs too. And came around, invited me to go hang out with the club, talk to me about BMW INVASION, and here we are.
Okay, and you have an Instagram, right?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram name?
Louis Cruz 15.
Louis Cruz 15. Okay, all right.
And you can see some of the updates of the car, the build process.
How long have you had the car for?
I bought it in 2015, so it's been some time.
Okay. Is this too early in the morning for you?
No.
Okay, this is good, right? Yeah, we usually start early because
I'm military. I tell them I'm up every day at 6 a.m. No excuse.
That's good. That's good.
Where's Baca?
I don't know. I don't have his car yet.
Yeah.
He should be here. You want to give him a call?
Yeah.
He's always late, man. Come on, you know.
We've done a few M3s already, but we want to be able to show N54, N55, something a little bit different, because there's a big N54, N55 community.
Yeah. Oh, you saw
of
it
course.
This past weekend. You saw how they
show up. So this is OEM hood, OEM headlights, and OEM bumper still, but molded on. This is aftermarket.
Yeah.
The doors are the same.
Gas cut down.
It's all new. And how about the bumper? You have to pull it or
Yeah.
yeah?
You just pull it, take off a couple of tabs and pull it over and take it onto the corner. Try to line it up as best as you can.
Yeah. Overall, how much width do you get from where the stock was?
I extended it 4 inches more.
4 inches.
So I was able
front and rear 4 inches.
Front is about 3.5.
Okay.
Rear is 4. From a regular 335 body.
You got some gadgets and stuff.
Yeah, I built my own air ride suspension type.
Okay.
So I have the gauges and I have the switches in the middle of the console.
So those switches are for each
corner.
individual corner.
Yes,
Okay.
You did it yourself?
Yes.
All the work done by yourself?
All the work's done by myself.
What about the painting?
Same thing. I did most of the body work. I got a couple of friends that helped out, and we got a couple of friends that paint in the group, and they gave me a hand doing the paint body work.
Nice, nice.
So those that usually the ashtray. So in the ashtray you put what's in there?
That's the gauges.
Gauges.
It controls. Yeah, it's dual needle. The gauges. It controls each corner.
Okay.
It tells you what's the pressure on that corner.
You from Florida originally?
I'm born and raised in Puerto Rico, moved to Florida, and I've been here since 1997.
Gotcha. Yeah. You have like a New York kind of type of like accent
Everybody
sometimes.
tells me that.
I don't know, the way you kind of like sling off some words and stuff.
Oh, it's the Hialeah mixed with Hollywood.
There you go.
All of that.
The
all
New
of that
Yorican.
here.
The New Yorican.
Yeah.
So what am I seeing here? What's all
These
this?
are the PR coils.
Okay.
I also have custom intake kit, charge pipe with a hot switch, and the fuel lead port injection, throttle port injection.
He's running E85 too.
Oh, okay.
This guy don't play.
You smell
All right, so Miguel, I see you have a different color shirt today. So what is that?
Yeah, this is the Urban Green, latest edition BMW INVASION shirt. We just put this one out a few days ago. And they're already out. Carter was the first one to get one after we got ours.
Yep.
Yeah. We ran out of smalls and mediums really quick on both orders. So this time around we're ordering more smalls and mediums, and then we'll have the usual large. We go up to I think 3x large.
3X, yeah.
3x large. So, but a lot of people are liking them. The durability, the fact that they don't fade, the fact that they don't shrink. So, been really successful so far. And you know, Ken and I are coming up with a lot of different ideas on what to do with, you know, different gears, and we're doing a lot of trial and error.
And we can't show you guys that anytime soon, so give us some time. We'll give you some teasers. But the main thing is we appreciate the support, and you guys are, you know, repping it out there. Hey, so you're legitimately late today.
Yeah, the first time in years.
No. Every single time.
I'm never late. I'm always here.
So what's the... Oh, there you go. You got your uniform on.
Shit. What's good, Perry? What's up,
So right now we're just setting things up. Perry's taking some still shots of the vehicle.
So if you say something, you know, funny thing on how I met Luis. I was going to the YMCA in Hollywood, and on my route there, I see the E90 outside. I'm like, what?
This is hold up. This is your love story. What happened? Go ahead.
Yeah, so this is how I met Luis. You know, like, you know, as BMW enthusiasts, I was driving to the YMCA, and I spotted his car in the driveway. So I'm like, that's weird. I've never seen, you know, BMW E90s are kind of rare to see, especially E90 M3s. You don't see them that often.
They usually get more E92s.
Yeah. So I pull over.
What's up?
And I think he had that car outside. The E90 was outside, and I think that was the only car that I remember seeing. Was that?
Under that one.
Yeah, you were in the garage in that one.
You know what the worst part is? Coming to these meets, keep spending money. Keep spending money on buying new car parts.
One of the things, especially what we're doing, a lot of people, especially to this shop here, we'll get people that say, "Oh, I need to prep my car for the next BMW INVASION meet," right?
Or the next video, because we have a couple guys for the videos coming up, and they're like, "Hey, I'm not ready yet." Even Sheldon was like, "Hey, I got a few more things coming up. Give me a couple weeks." I was like, "Okay."
Yeah, so people are spending money
Hey,
because there's the next meet or there's the next video shoot.
we're stimulating the economy on a different level, right?
We stimulate the economy on a different level.
And one thing too is like, you know, we have a lot of things going on for this whole year. We can't say a lot of it, but you know, slow. We got a meeting tomorrow, right? How's that look? All your lights are set up? You want the back lights off too?
Yeah, most likely.
Okay. I guess, are we ready?
Instagram is Cut Above Barbershop, and behind me is my 2011 BMW E95.
All right, so getting into the car, your car, we're gonna have to mic you up. Once his video is done, I'll put my video live a couple days after because I want to give all the exposure to the hard work he does. So you allow your wife to drive this?
Hell no. She don't drive this. She has asked plenty of times, and it's not gonna happen. She drives the M3, but this is just me.
The M3 is manual too, so that's good.
Yeah.
What if she took it out? Would you be mad?
Of course. I have so much invested on this. She tells me all the time, "You love that car more than me." I say, "Well, you're right."
Oh my God.
He said he'll get closer, so. You look like a ninja. You look like a ninja with that on.
Yeah. I'm sure nobody's gonna call the cops on you.
Right?
So you were talking earlier that you have a detail shop.
Yeah, I have a barbershop in Hollywood, and then I have a detail shop / barbershop in Davie. As little, and I'm sure you could agree to this. It's only 3 things that a man think about: the female, the car, and themselves. So you want to look good, you want to, right?
You know,
you want to get that cut. So what I did is I incorporated having a barbershop built into the detail garage, and I have glass windows. So while you're getting a haircut, you're getting your car detailed. You could see it getting detailed. That way, on that Friday night, when you're in a rush and you don't have time to do all of this stuff, you get everything.
Yeah.
You get it all at the same location. You get your cut, you get your car detailed, and then you hang out. You know, we have it open until we go home, until the last customer leaves.
That's good. That's good.
So
you know, it's all about being different too. You know, like it's not a regular barbershop. He has a detail in his shop, like you said. So it's unique. You know, it's pretty cool.
You don't have to go to the car wash your car, then go to the barbershop, get a cut, then go home.
Yeah, but
one-stop location.
Don't go to the regular car washes, you know? People are like, oh, go to the automatic car washes. That's where you induce the swirl marks. Because I love detailing. Nobody touches my car but myself. If you guys watch this channel, you guys know. So he knows it himself. Like, nobody touches your car.
Nobody touches my car, just me. Me and my guys, which I train how to properly detail a car.
So
we don't call it,
method, right?
2-bucket method. We don't call it washing. It's detailing. That's what we do.
Exactly, exactly. Tune you have?
It's MHD back end flash with JB4. I'm glad I met you guys. Glad Miguel stopped by.
Yeah, right? Being all creeper and stuff.
So when he pulled over, like I recognized him because I've seen him before.
Yeah.
And we just hit it off.
All right, so now we're done with the portion of majority of the video. So what we're doing right now, Baca?
Right now, let me take my ninja mask off. Right now, we're getting some beauty shots of that car. I just raised my lap. I don't know if you guys saw it in the video, but I was hanging from the back of this car, getting some nice rollers. That was fun. Here.
Can you probably couldn't see that because my lens is not as good as his.
Yeah, but I'm gonna send you the pictures. You can plaster that shit.
Yeah, I'll plaster into the video. All right, so this is all done. Everything's done with your vehicle. We got a good experience.
BMW INVASION.
All right, so we'll see you on the next one, and I guess come out to the next event.
Of course.
All right.
Take it easy, guys.
All right, brother. See you.
All right, so hopefully you can hear me. Right now we're under a bridge in an industrial park, and we're filming a commercial for BMW INVASION. We're doing the apparel line again. Miguel stained his shirt, so he's using my shirt right now. Okay, so yeah, we'll get Perry into this commercial. And what do you guys think about the shirt?
Can't say enough. The shirts feel great. Don't sweat.
Dry fit, right? Love them. All right, guys, we did a lot today. We did the feature video. We also did a commercial. I'm getting tired. Got to go home, go eat. But I appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.